Do you want to know a secret about productivity that most gurus never mention? It is not about doing more work. It is about doing less of the work that does not matter. The average professional spends over 11 hours every single week just sorting through their inbox. That is nearly 3 entire work weeks every year lost to newsletters, receipts, and random CC chains that you probably did not even need to read. And I used to be that person who woke up to 100 of unread messages feeling behind before I even had my coffee. But then I discovered a way to actually automate my focus. So I have been testing this tool, which is called SaneBox, and it is honestly first time in years that I have felt in control of my digital life. This tool uses artificial intelligence to learn what is actually important to you and what is just noise. And the best part is that you do not have to install anything. So here is why this method actually works. Most of us treat our inbox like a giant to-do list that anyone in the world can add to it like at any time. But this tool SaneBox just flips that. It creates a folder called SaneLater where all those non-urgent emails go automatically. So this is the folder SaneLater, and in this folder there are all of the emails that can wait until later. So this way when you open your mail, you only see messages from real people and important clients. Everything else wait for you in a daily digest that you can skim in 30 seconds. Before I confuse you more about all these terms about SaneBox, let me just quickly show you step by step that how you can install SaneBox and how you can then add your email address and then let SaneBox do its work. So to start using SaneBox, just go to sanebox.com or just click on the link in description and then you can start using SaneBox. There is a free trial for 14 days. You can start using this tool absolutely for free and you are not required to add any sort of credit cards. All you have to do, simply just click on try it now for free. Then you can just choose your mail. So in this case, I'm just going to choose Google. Now it is asking us to grant permission to SaneBox so it can read emails, it can compose emails, it can send emails as well. And in fact, it can permanently delete emails as well. So any emails which are like unimportant or which can be deleted, so it can delete those emails as well. So you can simply just click on continue and then you can just like log in. I'm going to log in using my email and then I can just give it access to read, compose, send and permanently delete any of the emails and then see and download your contacts. Of course, now simply just click on continue and that's it. You can see I have given access to SaneBox and now you can just like choose what SaneBox will be used for. I'm going to use it for personal use. Click on continue. Wasting time sorting emails, yeah, that is the reason. Enable feature that helps you save up to 6 hours per week. Yeah, continue. All inbox control, yeah, sure, use SaneBox. Okay, hold on, let me just click on, yeah. So it is asking us to use SaneLater, so I can simply just click on that and now I can just like click on the default selected options in here, click on enable and now all inbox, perfect. I can just like click on SaneLater, use SaneNoReply, I can use that too. So your unanswered emails automatically appear in SaneNoReply, so it is easy for you to like review and follow up. So any of the unanswered emails will fall in this folder. So I can simply just click on this and now I can basically like choose this option as well. No reply, do not mark emails in SaneNoReply as unread and ignore calendar messages from. So you can basically like customize these options based on your requirements. Now you can simply just click on enable and you can enable this first option, not the second one. There you go. You can simply just click on next now and then you can add more of these options. Sane tomorrow, Sane next week, Sane next month as well. So I think let's just do Sane tomorrow and Sane next week. So these are basically the snooze options, any emails that can actually wait. So we can just like put them in Sane next week and Sane tomorrow. So save, use SaneBlackHole. So move emails to black hole and you will never hear from that sender again. So this is basically like blocking any particular sender. So use SaneBlackHole, cool, perfect. So auto unsubscribe, yeah, I think you can do that too. Click on auto unsubscribe and it will just like detect any of the spam sort of like newsletters and then it will just unsubscribe any of those newsletters automatically. So there is this personal follow-up assistant. So set reminders for dates, deadlines and circling back on important emails. So you can totally use reminders as well. So you can do that as well. And so you can again customize these settings based on your requirements. You're not required to use only the default options. You can like totally customize these settings. Finish setup and now SaneBox is going through all of my emails. It is right now, you can see it is filtering. It is basically digesting all of the emails and once it is done, you can just check all the results. So right now you can see on this email, I have just opened this email. So this is SaneBlackHole. One was added into SaneBlackHole. So this is SaneLater. So all these emails we can like wait. These are added into SaneLater. This is SaneNews. So all of the emails which are like related to news or newsletters or like any of the random newsletters that I randomly just subscribed. So all of those are added in here. Sane next week. So yeah, none of the emails are added into next week and SaneNoReply. So any of the emails that are not replied yet, so it will be added in here. So after customizing your settings and setting up SaneBox based on your requirement, so now every time you open your email, you only see the important emails that need your urgent attention and you can easily just go through your emails in literally 30 seconds. It is like having a personal assistant who pre-reads every single email for for you. So on average, SaneBox saves typical users 3 to 4 hours every single week on email management alone. There are a few features that have specifically changed the way I work, and the first one is honestly SaneBlackHole. If you get an email from a sender that you never want to hear from again, you just drag it in that folder and they are banned forever. So no more hunting for any tiny unsubscribed links that do not work anyway. And also another really important feature personally for me is SaneReminders. You can send an email reminder to future self. So if I send an email and the person does not reply within 3 days, SaneBox put that thread right back at top of my inbox, so I never lose track of a follow-up. So before you spend another hour staring at a cluttered screen, you need to try this for yourself. It works with Gmail, Outlook, iCloud, or whatever email client that you already use. It takes less than literally 10 minutes to set up, and most people save about 2.5 hours every single week. And that is the time that you can spend growing your business, being with your family, or just finally seeing the bottom of your inbox. So I have partnered with SaneBox to give you a massive head start on your productivity journey. So if you use the link in description, you will get a 14 days free trial to see magic for yourself, plus a $25 credit towards any subscription when you are ready to upgrade. So go ahead and click that link now and claim your credits and finally stop being a slave to your inbox. And do let me know how many emails SaneBox moves out of your way in one day. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.